Hi. First of all, I would be using this piece of tissue paper. It's too hot. I have to off the fan, and I just couldn't control the nature, pollution, sound pollution. So forgive me for that. Yeah. Coming to my basic intro is myself, Usha Rani Tandi. Usha. I stand 5 feet 5 inches taller. My real age is 25, and actually belong from Odisha. My current location is Mumbai. Yeah, so actually I have noted some, so I've dotted some points out to speak over so that I don't miss any of thing, because I know this is going to be something long. Yeah, so the languages that I know are English fluently, Hindi fluently, Odia, Sambalpur, it's my mother tongue. Bengali, as I have played a stage drama. So yeah, Bengali একটু একটু আমি বলতে পারছিলাম। Bihari, Bhojpuri also, if I get a script I can go for that. And Telugu accent like Deepika Padukone at Chennai Express. Yeah, so now coming to my theatre experience, I actually came over here to Mumbai since 2018, and I have sorry I started uh, like 1 year of Gesture Mind Theatre. The theatre name was Gesture Mind Theatre, GMT. And we were also having street plays at SL World Borivali. Like 40 plays we had of a different types of plays we were having, like each day 3 parts and different types of. Then after that I started doing giving auditions, giving auditions. Yeah, actually before that I started, of course, as a junior artist, as a model. I started my struggling period in, in that phase. And उसके बाद junior artist में I remember I actually acted in Helmet, starring Appa Shakti Khurana, where the director was too good with I guess my acting, and he actually feature casted me. From junior artist to the feature cast was a great appreciation for me at that time. And I remember after that I started doing, yeah, I also did Kangubai Kathiawadi, where I got a small, I got a very small role over that, where the scene is being deleted. I actually have one line over there in that movie. एंड उसके बाद से मैंने सीरियल करना शुरू किया फ्रॉम आई गेस 2019. No, not 19, sorry, 2019 was a, like, yeah, a lockdown period. Maybe I actually don't remember. No, sorry, 2020 was a lockdown period, right? I may be wrong. I actually don't remember right now because I'm doing this intro. So whatever it is, 2000. I guess I started from 2020 to 2020 with some serials, starting from Amma Ke Babu Ki Baby. That was also small. I started from that only, and as an actor, not as a junior artist or something else. उसके बाद से मैंने क्या, दिल ये जिद्दी है, अम्मा के बाबू की बेबी, फिर उसके बाद आहिस्ता 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 sorry, ahista ahista I started doing good cameo roles, from 1 day to 2 days, then to 3 days, and on and off, and I started getting continuity. Then I got casted for good continuity in Amma Ke, in Choti Sardani. Good characters, actually versatile character. And छोटी सरदानी हुआ, गुम है किसी के प्यार में, कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से, मन सुंदर, yeah, etc. Lot of serials I've actually done. And following that I got a cameo. I got a small cameo in a web series that is Broken But Beautiful season 3, starring late Siddharth Shukla. And also after that I got another web series for UP65 season 2. I guess the first episode I'm there. एंड उसके बाद आई डिड अ मूवी starring Anand Mahadevan sir, Atosh Srivastava, Pallavi Subhas, Pitobash Tripathi, and sorry, Pitobash Tripathi. And the movie, it's a feature film where I actually have done a very great character. It's the movie name is Prachand, directed by Sushant Panda. एंड आफ्टर दैट अभी मैंने रिसेंटली लखनऊ में एक मूवी किया स्टारिंग रजनीश दुग्गल एंड अंशा शाहिद नाम, या उसमें भी मेरा प्राइमरी कैरेक्टर है. एंड या आई एम स्टिल गिविंग ऑडिशन. अभी हाल ही में चेन्नई में मैंने एक डिजिटल ऐप के लिए मैंने एक शूट किया था, फ्रेंड ऐप के लिए. After that I got some auditions. I'm still trying for a good auditions, for a good projects. Yeah, so this is something about my work experience. Hey, coming to the schooling part, actually I have been qualified as the BTech Mechanical Engineer. I am a ICSE and an ISC girl. And coming to my hobbies, I love dancing, I love acting, that I have made my profession. And also I love doing arts like the mandala. It's a Buddhism and a spiritual religious art where for a concentration, for sharpening your thoughts, for like you can Google it out. Thank you so much. And I love nature. I love watching, nature, animals, sunset, sunrise. I love doing yoga. I'm a yoga enthusiast girl. And also I don't love cooking. I am not the cooking person type. I'm foodie, but अभी थोड़ा सा like diet चल रहा है. And yeah, coming to myself, मैंने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया I guess. क्या बचा है बाकी बोलना. Food I like, food I like is I actually have stopped consuming non-veg, which is not good. We should go green. We shouldn't harm chicken, and it's not good for our appetite, for our digestion system. So I'm not going to express the science over here. I'm so sorry for that. The color I like is black and white. Of course, I love pink. Pink suits me a lot. I haven't worn this like today, but ठीक है चलता है. About my dreams, of course, acting. I don't have any other options. Like क्यों रखना options जब आपको पता है कि आपको actor ही बनना है तो. So actually, I think I'm running out of time and I don't have that much of permission to talk about. Actually, I really had doubted this much and I'm gonna speak about that. So ठीक है चलेगा. जितना हुआ and thank you. Let me know if I need to speak more about myself. I would be really happy to talk about money. Thank you so much. Yeah, bye bye.